Hi everybody out there. Today, I know I look kind of silly, don't I? I often get asked about pumping bras. What can I wear as a pumping bra? There's lots of options of pumping bras out there. There's some really good brands and opportunities, but they're expensive. Have you seen some of these pumping bras are like $50 to $60? So today I'm going to show you my hands-free pumping bra hack using either a bralette or an old sports bra, okay? So I'm going to show you how to hack one of these into a hands-free sports bra. Now, the first thing to know is put that sports bra on, and when we're going to hack this into a pumping bra, find where your natural nipple is. So I'm going to put my little fake boobies in here, okay? The really important thing when you're hacking a sports bra into a pumping bra is to find where your natural nipple is. If your headlight is over here to the side, you do not want to be cutting your slit in the front. You need to find where your natural nipple is in order to be able to then hack this correctly. If your nipple hangs low, if you have a low hanging nipple, this is where you're putting your slit for your pumping bra. So find where your natural nipple is. Now I have the joy of being able to move my nipples around, right? So what you're going to do first, put that sports bra on, find where your natural nipple is, and you're going to mark a line of, hey, here's where my natural nipple is. Okay, very important next step, take the bra off. Do not attempt to do this. Now again, you might have to wrangle yourself out of that sports bra. Okay, but what you're gonna do is mark where your natural nipple is, take the sports bra off, and then take your scissors and you're gonna make a little slit, okay? Now what I like to do is pinch my fabric together and make my cut. You need really sharp scissors for this. Don't make your cut too big, but you do need to make sure that it goes all the way through, okay? So I'm gonna cut little slits to start. Okay, now you can practice without this on your body, little slits first. If you have a flange that detaches like your Medela pumps, then this is really the easiest for the hack. But what you're trying to do is see if it's big enough to then poke through that hole. You want it just big enough. You don't want a massive slit because then it has the potential to move around and not stay where you need it. Trickier flanges obviously are your Spectra flanges, but you basically want that slit just big enough that one of these ends can slide through that hole. So not quite big enough for a Spectra flange. I might need to make my slit just a little bit slittier in either direction, or you can also do like a little cross if you have a big Spectra flange. And again, you're trying to get it just big enough that that flange can like stretch through but not be too stretchy. Okay, so then you're going to try it on. Now I'm going to do Spectra on one side, the Medela on the other side. So once you've got your little slit in there, you're going to put that bra back on and we're going to test it out, okay, and see where that lies. Okay, so I'm gonna have my one boobie on this side. There's my little nipple. I'm gonna put this one on this side, and again, here's my natural nipple. If you're going with these flanges, obviously always better to go through the back so that you don't make the hole too big. So if you have a Medela or a flange that comes off, or a Lactec flange, a pump and pow flange, go through the back and then connect to your pump adapters. If you do happen to have the one-piece flange, then yes, unfortunately, usually you have to go through the front. Okay, get things adjusted. Bada bing, bada boom. Sports bra into a hands-free pumping bra, okay? At where your natural nipple is. Now, here's the big thing. If you decide that you want to take this on and off to pump, awesome, great, you now have a hands-free bra. But let's say you're just walking around and you're like, you know what, I don't want to change out of that sports bra between pump sessions, but now, oh my gosh, I don't want my coworkers seeing that I've got my little nipple hanging out of my pump hole. What do? Take your nursing pad. I don't know if I have a nurse. I've got one over here. Hold on that thought. I got everything in my drawers. Take your nursing pad and bada bing, bada boom. Now you're not going to nip through on that sports bra. Obviously, if you have the sticky one, be careful because it could then stick to your shirt through the hole, or you can use it to stick the hole shut. So you can take advantage of a sticky one by having it close that hole for you, or you can use one of the washable, reusable ones, tuck that in there, and now it gives you a little nipple cover so you won't be nipping out through your sports bra if you decide that you want to leave it on between pump sessions. So there you go. There is your hack of the day, how to convert a sports bra into a hands-free pumping bra. Now you know.